I've heard through trial attorneys, through mentors, that if I ever get a chance in my career and in my life to dedicate 3 weeks, it's like a life-changing experience. The instructors are phenomenal. They're great. They dedicate their time, they leave their practice, their family to come here and teach us, and that's really special. For them, it's paying it forward. You could just see the passion in them. They take their time, they're willing to work outside class. If there's something that you don't get, you can meet with them at lunch. They really do care, and they want you to be a better trial lawyer. They're great people. And I think every trial lawyer should come here. Learning this Gerry Spence Method techniques, you're able to dig within yourself and be human. I think being real, being yourself, like everyone's unique, and that's what this Gerry Spence Method teaches you. For example, me, there's one Brandon Mata, and I have certain attributes and tools, and this method, the Gerry Spence Method, helps me dig that out and find out my strengths. This way, when I go home or go to my practice, I'm able to apply those techniques. I'm able to visit clients and see them for who they are. They're humans. What are their attributes? What are the good things about these clients? How do I best represent them? And I think that's very special. I think it's very powerful, and I recommend every trial lawyer who represents people who are in court fighting, being warriors, come here and learn this Gerry Spence Method.